Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with CommercialEdge for property performance data, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the CommercialEdge website. On the homepage, locate the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on it to begin the registration process. Fill in the required fields with your personal information. Provide an email address that you frequently use. Create a strong password for your account. After filling in the details, agree to any terms and conditions presented. Click the Submit button to create your account. Check your email for a verification link from CommercialEdge. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the CommercialEdge website. Log in using the email and password you just created. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Look for the Property Data section on the main menu. Click on it to access a variety of property performance. Use the filters to narrow down your search based on your area of interest. If you're looking for specific metrics, utilize the search bar efficiently. Select the properties you wish to analyze for detailed information. Take note of the performance indicators available, such as occupancy rates and rental trends. If you need further assistance, navigate to the Help or Support section. Consider accessing tutorials and guides that detail usage of the platform. Utilize any available community forums to connect with other users. Familiarize yourself with the reporting tools available within the platform. Save important data sets for future reference by using the export features. Stay updated with any new features by checking the announcements section regularly. Consistently review your dashboard to monitor changes in property performance data. Engage regularly with the resources provided to maximize your understanding of property analytics. This will help enhance your decision-making with data-driven insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.